Did Rough Enough send you something to show me?
Yes, this is so cool. I've been looking for something like this to keep in my pocket and put all my kind of everyday carry stuff that I carry around, but I don't want to just put it in my pocket because I don't know. I feel like it just would lose it. And so having it in one little place is going to be great. But this is really nice material and it's got this nice zipper on it.
YKK zippers, Cordura fabric.
And then on the inside, you can see it's divided. So you can kind of separate your stuff there. And also it comes with a lanyard. So if you wanted to wear it around your neck and have a pocket or something to put it in. And then it comes with a keychain, you know, so you can have your carabiner in it. Okay, so I just emptied my other little pouch I've been carrying around. And the thing I always didn't like about it was that the zipper would work its way open. So this is going to be really nice. But look at this. This has got a little internal, I forgot to show you, this has got a little thing so you can put your key chain in. I've got this one for, and we have it so that you can just punch a code in, but if the battery goes out, you're going to need a key to get in. So I like to have that just for an emergency. So there we go. That goes in there. And then I've got some chapstick. Oh man, look at all this stuff. I got this little, I've got a pin. I've got little mints in case I want to, and some ibuprofen, you know, in case. This is, like I said, this is my everyday carry stuff that's going to go in my pocket. This is a really cool little multi-tool that you can fit in your wallet, so it fits really nice right inside there. And a little pen knife. Yay, look at that. And some little mints in case I have a coughing attack. My little worry rug. And of course, a poop bag. Emergency poop bag for my dog. Not for me, for my dog. Anyway, what else I got there? Oh, and of course some money. So I like to have a little bit of change with me. There we go.
And there's a lifesaver over
and look
here.
at that. I got a lifesaver. Man, I can stuff a whole lot more in there. I'm so excited. Look at that.
You don't need to stuff a whole lot.
Oh, I could.
No, you
anyway. And look, see? And then you can zip it shut, right? And then you put it down into this little loop right there, and it holds the zipper.
That holds the little zipper so it doesn't come unzipped.
It's not going to come undone in my pocket. I love it.
Awesome.
And it's just perfect. Yep. And I'm so happy that there's room to put more stuff in there.
Your other one was a little bit smaller. Yeah. Yeah. Well, thanks for sending that to us.
What do you think there?
Thanks for sending that to us so that we can show it to you.
Come up here. Come up here.
There you go.